By the time you want to go to the hospital to say I want to be terminated, your pregnancy is already 7 months. Yes, in fact, part of the clause 11 that we are discussing about, we wanted to deal and cure the challenge that we're having with the court processes in Zimbabwe, where the courts would actually take long. And you know how courts normally happens. You go there with your lawyer, the lawyer will apply for postponement, and time will be moving. So what we did in clause 11 was to simplify the methods and to ensure that there is actually faster justice when somebody has been raped, so that we don't create unnecessary bureaucratic problems that we actually were having. When you are raped, you go to the police. The police will record. Then you go to the court. Then the magistrate will then, after hearing the case, issue a statement that you should actually get your pregnancy terminated. By the time you want to go to the hospital to say I want to be terminated, your pregnancy is already 7 months. The medical personnel will say, no, we cannot terminate a pregnancy which is as old as this one. We cannot do that. So who suffers? It is the raped woman or the child that was abused.
Okay, and then someone is asking, Honorable Anzi, what is more dangerous, the incapability biologically of a child carrying a baby or the termination process itself? Has this been weighed and considered? I think mambo tsanangura pai muchiti aiwa izvi zvinenge zvichiitwa nana chiremba asi ndikumbira mungu jekesere muterere.
Yes, what we wanted to do initially when the clause 11 was came into being, we wanted to have a medical doctor or a trained midwife. But during our conversation with the Ministry of Health personnel, we then resolved that no, munhu anokwanisa kuita termination should only be a medical doctor, so that if a medical doctor does, anoziva kuti kapakaita complications anokurumidza kuita chakati nechakati. So the idea ndeyekuti we need to save our children, we need also to save our sisters and mothers who are raped nemabhinya kunzoko.